Tutorial 10. Hello and welcome. This tutorial explains how to validate a model's structure. Before running the model, you must check whether the model structure is valid. This may be performed from the main model screen by clicking the Advisor icon. Clicking the Advisor Remarks button allows the user to view the advisor's comments about the structure of this model. There are two types of comments. Comments that must be attended to. Until they are fixed, the model won't run. The second type of comment won't prevent the model from running, but handling them is recommended. It is possible to display only the critical comments by checking the Display Non-Validation Only checkbox, which appears next to the advisor icon. If there are comments, an advisor's recommendation will appear explaining how to fix the problem. After all critical comments have been fixed, you can click the fourth icon from the left, from the set of icons at the top of the screen, to run the model. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.